Welcome to my kitchen, guys!
Yay!
Alright, and now let's set the table. First, we're gonna need a window. Here it is. Then we need a chair. One more. And of course a table. Let's put this beautiful green tablecloth on top of it. This little colorful one too. And this basket. Let's put in it some fresh flowers. Oh, they look so beautiful! Alright, we are ready here. Now let's set up the living room. Let's start with this big TV set. Of course, the remote control. And this cool video player. This fresh green plant. And the telephone. Let's put in this basket popcorns, peanuts, and this delicious milk chocolate. In the second basket, stay checkers, this flashlight, and the game DOS. Tino Nino. These are 2 pairs of 3D glasses. Alright. And these are all my movies. And the sitting area is set too. That's it. Hey, hi kids! I'm finally back home. It was such a hard day. I desperately need some rest. But let's first take off my bag and put it on the chair. Then let's take off my jacket. And put it on the chair too. Now it's time to put on something more comfy, like this outfit for example. Alright, and now I need my slippers. Here they are. And finally, my robe. Oh, I need something to eat. Let's first grab a plate. And put in it this delicious homemade sandwich. Now I need a plate, this cup, and of course the teapot. Time for the tea. Alright, and finally, let's add my favorite popcorns. That's all. Would you pass me the tray, please? Messy. And now let's turn on the TV. Now let's fry some baby carrots. Alright, they're ready. And here are the French fries.
Yay!
And now let's open the oven. And put inside my famous bread. That's it. Now guys, I desperately need some coffee. Let's warm it up.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran up.
Oh, what? Oh no! It's getting late! I should go to bed! I'm going to sleep now, guys! Good night!